Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox a SIM card. Unsensitive SIM card. Anyways, paano ko ba ito umpisahan? Yan. Ito nga, I'm going to unbox a SIM card, and this SIM card is Virgin SIM card. Parang yung kausap nyo or sa harapan nyo at the moment. Ganun. So, SIM card is Virgin. So, for those people na hindi aware, Virgin, sandali, open ko muna yung kodigo ko. So, Virgin is a wireless communication brand used by 8 independent brand licensees worldwide. Actually, Virgin is from US to eh. So, Virgin Mobile branded wireless communication services are available in Australia, Colombia, UK, Ireland, Canada, Chile, Russia, France, Saudi Arabia, UAE, France, Holland, South Africa, Mexico, and the United States. So, Virgin Mobile branded services used to be offered in Singapore, India, and Qatar. So, finally, nakabili ako ng sarili kong SIM card because tong SIM card na to, gagamitin ko to as another SIM sa aking phone kasi itong phone ko guys can support embedded SIM. But for some reason, sabi ng nagbebenta ng SIM card sa Virgin Megastore is hindi pa daw active yung eSIM service nila. So, pwede ko rin siyang i-activate personally through sa application nila. So, hassle-free guys, yung staff sa Al Wahda Mall na Virgin Megastore, pangalan niya si James Bond, shout out to you, at tinulungan niya ako to set up the activation. Walang forms na finilapan, just yung application, hassle-free, and yun, kinuha niya lang yung Emirates ID ko, and then I just fill out some details, and I paid using by card. Okay, and the total activation, yung fees, everything was 52 dirhams because there was an ongoing offer at the moment. So yung 50 dirhams na yun, it comes with 1.5 GB data and 50 local minutes. So this is lang the reason na bumili ako ng SIM card na backup is yung backup ko lang just in case kasi may 6 GB ako na ginagamit for my postpaid. So sometimes heavy data user kasi ako guys. So sometimes nauubos na talaga siya for some reason kapag sa bus ako, nanonood ako ng YouTube. Ayun, hindi pa kalahati ng buwan, ubos na yung data ko. So minsan kasi kapag postpaid ka, kapag naubos mo na yung allowance mo, so parang you need to force to mag-add-on. So medyo expensive. Pero kapag meron kang other backup, katulad ng Virgin SIM na may kasamang prepaid plan ba tawag doon, basta prepaid data, it's much easier, convenient. So I decided to buy a SIM card since na meron naman akong dual SIM feature sa aking device. So guys, hindi ko pa ito nabuksan ko pa lang. I'm gonna show you what's inside. So let's see. And guys, this is a raw vlog, okay? Raw vlog means hindi siya scripted, maliban na lang sa binasa ko kanina. So, yung Virgin Mobile pala dito sa UAE, under siya sa Emirates Integrated parent company siya ng ng Du. Ayan. So, napaka-easy actually guys, yung activation, it didn't take too long, like around 5 minutes. Tapos ayun na. Hindi lang ako sure guys kung nag-accept sila payment ng cash, pero kasi sa akin kasi card ang ginamit eh. So see, unbox, unwrap. No, unwrap. May gunting pala. Sorry naman. Oh my gosh. Yung light, yung studio light ko patay na. Studio light daw. Kasi guys, kapag nagre-record ako ng video, ito yung ginagamit ko. So, purita lang tayo. Low bat. Wait lang guys. May light naman eh. Pwede na yan. Ayan. Hirap guys. Mas mahirap pa sa relasyon namin. Ang pagbukas ng wrap ng Virgin SIM is napakahirap. Mas mahirap pa sa previous relationship namin. Charot. Yan. Ayun. Wow! Ay, kaway ko naman. Yan. Teret, 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 teret. Hello. Hello. Hello, the friend. Hello, welcome to Virgin Mobile, like me. Yan. You know, yun. May barcode sa likod, guys. So, for privacy reasons, ayaw kong ipakita. Yan. Yung naman, documentation. Saan ang SIM card? Ayun. Scan me to activate your SIM. Oh, medyo censored to. Pero yan. Ayan. Yan siya. Itatest ko to guys. Uy, para alam yung packaging ng ano, yung packaging ng Virgin SIM para siyang Apple. Meron siyang kasamang stickers. Ang cute. So guys, kung meron kayong ano, sasakyan, may sasakyan lang, pwede nyo lagay sa likod. Or anything sa laptop, pwede din. A new way of life, a new era of mobile. Let's get started. So, another documentation. And, of course, your SIM card. Hey! At may SIM ejecting tool siya. Pop it out. Comes sa Arabic na ano. Diba? Ayun. Of course, sa English din. Ayun. So, download the app, instruction on how to activate on your SIM card on your mobile. Download the app, set up your account, verify and activate. Yeah. Okay. So guys, let's try. Actually, the reason na bumili ako ng SIM card is to migrate it on eSIM. But, of course, yung Virgin Mobile team sa Alwada, they do accept na magpa-activate. Sila mismo ang magpapa-activate ng eSIM mo. But, for a change, ako na lang. Kasi, you can do it on your own sa kanilang application. Okay. So, this is micro SIM. So, guys, it comes with regular SIM, micro, and mini SIM. Tama ba? Mini SIM, micro, tsaka yung normal na SIM size. Okay. So, yung SIM ejecting tool ko. Kinuha, may isa kasi akong extra SIM ejecting tool, so ito na lang ang gagamitin ko. Let me just remove my other Etisalat SIM. guys. And let's start to use this. Let's see how it works. Tingnan natin yung reception kung maganda ba. Magta-try tayo ng internet speed test. Last time, I did a speed test from my Etisalat plan. And now we will do a speed test for this one also. Pero it might take a huge amount of data kasi nga nag-run tayo ng speed test, but let's see. Okay guys, ako yan. Wait lang. So guys, automatic nakuha niya yung signal and then may label na siya ng Virgin na logo sa taas. Ayan, Virgin Mobile. Ayan guys, kung nakikita nyo, ayan, ang Virgin sa harapan nyo. Okay, so sabi dito, paano ba to? Okay na ba to? Check ko yung ano ko. Oh, inopen ko yung yung application. Kasi dito rin sa application kasi inactivate at nag-order ng ng SIM card. So, yung SIM card binigay na lang personally, tapos parang in-insert yung Emirates ID ko sa parang device nila. Then ayun, activated na siya. So, try kong tatawag sa kasama ko sa work. Tignan natin kung okay na siya. Tawagan ko si Justlyn. Hindi niya alam ito yung number ko eh. Okay na nga. Nagre-ring na siya. Hello?
Hello?
Bakla!
Oh, bakit?
Sa dito, bago kong number, Virgin.
Wow!
Nasa vlog ka, say hi sa vlog.
Hello! Ayun lang.
Ayun lang. O, sige na, trinay ko lang kung okay. Maganda ba yung reception? Okay naman?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang. O, parang pagmamahal niya sa'yo, walang labis, walang kulang. Sige na, trinay ko lang. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Yun guys, okay naman. So, try natin yung speed test. So, ito turn off ko yung Wi-Fi. Turn on ko yung data. So, at the moment, 3G siya. So, we'll try 4G. So, voice over LTE tayo. This cellular network has not been certified by the carrier for voice LTE and iPhone. Battery life, call, text messages, and voicemail and cellular data may be affected. Hindi ko alam bakit ito yung lumalabas, guys. Pero let's just try. 3G pa rin ang indicator. Virgin Mobile 3G. So, I think at the moment yung voice LTE is not supported or limited lang sa area ko. Pero sige, try natin yung speed test using 3G. But FYI guys, Virgin Mobile can support 5G. And next week, if everything is okay, I am going to magta-transfer ako sa eSIM. Okay. Speed test by Ookla. Try natin. Since 3G to, so don't expect na makaka-reach tayo ng up to 50 Mbps. So, nakikita ko dito is sakto lang, 9.5 yung download download Mbps niya or megabits, 9.5 megabits per second, and yung upload speed niya is 7.6 megabits per second. Okay, not bad. Hey! So, sa application din, pwede mo siyang ma-monitor kung magkano lang ang natira sa data mo at saka sa local minutes mo. And sa application, you can also mag-add ng credit mo using the credit card or the debit card that you have entered while purchasing the SIM card. And also, pwede mo siyang i-renew. You have the option either you want to renew it next month or you want to pause it. At meron din siyang pay as you go. So, it depends on you. Kung gusto mo pumunta sa grocery or sa bakala para mag-reload ng balance, pwede din. Kapag sa card, pwede din. And, yeah. That's it for now. And next week, I'm going to show you on how to transfer physical SIM to eSIM. Transition tayo, guys. Pero at the moment, hindi pa siya pwede kasi may inaayos pa sa back-end nila. So, for now, ito muna. Physical SIM by Virgin Mobile. Okay? So, that's it for now. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more contents and informative videos like this. Alright, once again, just hit subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos and notify kayo ahead of time kapag meron akong bagong videos. Alright, thank you so much and have a great day.